Hey YouTubers, in this video I'm going to be changing the engine air filter on a 2016 Mazda 6 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. This should be the similar process on the Mazda 3, the CX-5, any other engines with the 2.5, and maybe even previous year models. To start, you'll locate the airbox. It is right behind the driver's headlight. And the first step we want to do is push down on these two light silver clips. They should fasten pretty easily. And next, there are 3 plastic flat clips that we will slide forward towards the front bumper. You shouldn't need to disconnect anything. Here you see the O2 sensor, but you should leave that in place. There's one of the flat clips. There's another one, and there's one more on the right. And just slide it forward towards you. You shouldn't have to yank it or anything. I'm going to lift slightly with both of my hands. And it fastens super simple. I'm doing this service for my friend. The dealership wanted to charge him $40 to change his filter. It takes 30 seconds and this filter cost about $10. So you're going to pay $30 in labor. And the worst part is this filter was already brand new and they said it needed to be replaced. So just slide the filter in. It should sit nice and easy. And you'll see the 3 flat slots in the back. We're going to angle these flat clips in first. We're going to slide it back a little bit. You shouldn't need to force it or anything. You can see it slipped in there. Next, attach the 2 light silver clips. You should be good to go. It's that simple. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Please feel free to ask any questions and have a great day.